Okay, it is time for lesson 83, home practice. Read the word art. Sharp, sharp. Get, target. Orm, storm. North, north. Or, score. First, first. Purse. Under. Work, work. Remember that OR says when it's after a W? Word, word. World. And now we are going to spell those words. So first we're going to spell the word art. Go ahead and try it. So it's R, art. Okay. Now, sharp. So sharp, sharp. And check it. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Good job. Okay, next spell target. So I hear get. I hear two syllables. Spell the first one, tar, and then get. Okay, so let's try it. Tar. And now I'm going to spell get. G. It sounds like an I, but it's actually an E, making that schwa, that lazy schwa sound. Target. Target. Okay, and now spell. Let's do first. Okay, so that's going to be the IR. First. Okay, purse. In this word, it's going to be a UR, purse. We're going to put an E there. Purse. Okay, and now under. Under. Go ahead. So first we're going to spell un. And now the next syllable. Under. Der. There you go. Under. Oops. Sorry, wrong button. Try that again. All right, now we're going to spell storm. Okay. Store. Storm. Check it. Storm. Okay. Now spell north. So, north. 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 Now spell score. or. When a word ends with or, it's usually going to be spelled O-R-E. Now spell work. Work. So and I know O-R can spell after a W. Work. Work. Spell word. That's the O-R after a W. Word. And spell world. 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 All right. Now let's look at some irregular words. Okay, read it to yourself. So I see father. Father. This word is father. And let's see what's unexpected here. We don't expect that A to say ah. Father. Father. Okay. Now read this word. This word is water. What's unexpected there? Again, we don't expect that A to say ah, so water. All right, let's go ahead and make some words. I want you to start by making the word her. Okay, so we're going to spell her. There you go. Okay. Oops, sorry, I meant to leave that up there. Whoa, oh my goodness. Hold on. Here we go. Let me try that again. So, all right. Now I want you to add an E to the end of her and read the new word. So it should be heard. And please remember to pause as often as you need to. Okay, now I want you to change heard into hard. So right now we have and I want hard. So we're going to change the ER to an AR, hard. Okay. Now I want you to change D to M and read the new word. Arm. Okay, now reset your board, pause so to give yourself time. All right, and I want you to spell the word curl. Okay, spell that with a C in this word. In this word, it's going to be spelled with a U-R. If you chose E-R or I-R, you can still be proud of yourself. Usually after a C, it's going to be the U-R because with an E or an I, that would make the C say S. So that's kind of your clue right there. Curl. And that's going to be an L. Curl. Now I want you to change the L to a B and read the new word. The new word is curb. Now I want you to change curb to carb. We have carb. So we're going to change the with the UR to R with AR. Carb. And now I want you to change the B to a D and read the new word. And the new word is card. Okay, erase that or clear that. And now we're going to do our sentences. We're going to start with the sentence, her father is a farmer. Her father is a farmer. Grab my pen tool and I'm going to spell her father is a farmer. Okay, let's go ahead and try her. If you want to pause and write the whole thing and then play and check it, that's fine too. So her, her father. I hear father, so I can split that into syllables. I'm going to do fav first. Of. That's that heart part. It was spelled with an A. Fav. And now er. Her father is her father is a and then her father is a farmer. So we have two syllables. So let's do farm first. Farm. Go ahead and write farm. Okay, so farm. And then at the end of a word is er. In this case, it means someone who farms. So her father is a farmer. Now I'm going to rewrite it neatly. It's hard for me to write neatly on here, but I'm going to do my best. See? Her father is a farmer. And even as I write, I can pay attention to my sounds and make sure that the letters I'm writing are matching the sounds that I'm hearing. Her father is a farmer. All right, you can erase that board or you can just write underneath it. The next sentence is longer. It's we get more water for the horse. We get more water for the horse. So we get more water for the horse. All right. We we get it. And we've talked about this before. Most of us pronounce the word more like get. We turn that E into a schwa. We kind of get lazy with it and say I instead of eh. And that's fine. So for some of us, this becomes more of a heart word. We get more. Or at the end of most words is going to be O-R-E, not just O-R. We get more water. Water. This was a heart word. That was spelled with the A. There's that heart part. What. And at the end of a word is usually ER. We get more water for or. And in this case, it is just OR for the or sound, even though it's at the end of the word. We get more water for the. We get more water for the horse. Or And then it has an E at the end too. Okay, now let's rewrite it. We get more water for the horse. There we go. All right, that is the end of lesson 83 home practice. Thanks for practicing with me.